Hello loves, today I have an Ollie's haul to share with you. I was able to find some goodies there. They had a little section there that they had some stuff, so I was able to get some stuff. I didn't find any, well, I did find some paper pads, but they weren't really my type of style, so I did not get those. But I did find some other good things that I wanted, and yes, let's go ahead and get into this. So the first thing I want to go ahead and show you what I got was this big cutting mat, and look at it, it is pink. Now I do have a smaller one that I bought from Pop Shelf, but when I saw this I was like, oh my goodness. And it was only $4.99. Look at that, $4.99. So I went ahead and get this, and this is I believe this is 17 by 23. So yeah, I saw this, I was like, yes, I have to have this. Look at that, and in pink. So I was happy to have this one. So that's one thing I was able to snag up. Another thing I snagged up was this trimmer, which is actually, and I like it as in black. I do got a small one. Well, I got a few of them, but you know, you can't have too many. But I do have a smaller one that I like, this style that I got from scrapbooking.com. But when I saw this one, and this one was only $4.99, yeah, I had to jump on it. So yeah, so I got this one here, and does come with the. This one doesn't cut the extra blade. Oh, okay, got that. Yeah, so I got that blade right there. But yeah, look how nice this is. Love it. So I do like this one too. So I was able to snag that one up. Another thing I found was this Astro Brights, and I got this for $2.99. Now this was actually by the school supply area, and I figure it has a pink, orange, and gray, and I like these colors for Halloween. So yeah, actually I should have got another one, but yes, I got this one. Let's see, I also snagged up these foils. Actually they had quite a bit of these, but this is the color that they had, so I got this one, which is like a mint. So I got two of those. I didn't want to go too greedy, but yeah, I went ahead and got these two. How nice is that? Love it. I got that. Another thing I found was these stamps here. So I did get two because I want to, you know, I put one, I do have a little, I have a box where I put my extras or something I ordered and I already had it, or I'll find stuff that I could do for giveaways and whatnot. So yeah, so I got an extra one so I could do a giveaway or to add into a giveaway. But look how cute these are. So you got the stamps, you got the flowers, the thank you, butterfly, you even have the heart. Real nice. And these were $1. So was this. These two were $1. I snagged that one up. Another thing I snagged up, and these were $1 also. These little mini hole punchers. Well, not hole punchers, paper punchers. So I got the circle, the butterfly, and the flower. And I believe they had the heart and the stars. But I got these three. So these are actually real nice. I like that. And like I said, it was $1. Those are nice. And then the last thing I have is I did get this one for card making kit. Actually, maybe I should have got another one. This was $1. So you get stuff to make your cards. So you do get cards here. You do get some stickers, ephemera, envelopes. Yeah, this is from American's Crafts. So yeah, it's actually pretty nice. Love it. So this is, yeah, this was a good deal right here. But yeah, that is my little Ollie's haul. I did travel a little, like, oh, it's not really, like, I'm in the middle of a few Ollies, so I was able to go one a little, 30 minutes away, which is not a big deal because I traveled 30 minutes away from different places. But yeah, this was my little Ollie's haul to share with you. Yeah, so I'm excited for the pink cutting mat, that size. Well, that is my little Ollie's haul to share with you. So yeah, make sure you leave a like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.